A new iOS update is rolling out for the iPhone 16e and other models. The version of the update is iOS 18.6. After installing this update, I'll share with you whether are there any noticeable changes or issues after 24 hours of usage. The size of this update is 637.5 megabytes. I'm doing this update on the iPhone 16e. This update process takes anywhere from 12 to 15 minutes to complete. The software support for the iPhone 16 series is expected to last for approximately 6 years from the date of release. So until around 2031, we will continue receiving software updates for these models. Make sure your phone has enough charge before starting the update. Also, do not press any buttons once the update process begins. Alright, after about 13 minutes, my phone was updated successfully. I used this phone for more than 24 hours before sharing this update. Coming to the noticeable changes, I didn't notice anything major. All the data and applications remained intact. No issues or glitches were observed. The battery idle drain is also similar to before, somewhere in between less than 5%. That's the quick update on the new iOS update for the iPhone 16 series, which is iOS 18.6. Don't forget to like this video. It helps YouTube push this video to many people like you. Thanks for watching. See you again in the next video.